Walk into almost any auto parts store and you'll see premium brake pads selling for well over $100 a set, with bold claims about race-inspired stopping power and lifetime performance. Those claims sound impressive, but they're not always necessary for the average driver. In reality, several affordable brake pad brands deliver excellent stopping performance, low dust, quiet operation, and dependable durability without the premium price tag. The biggest mistake many vehicle owners make is assuming that inexpensive automatically means unsafe. That's simply not true when you choose products from reputable manufacturers with proven engineering and strict quality control. Today's countdown isn't about buying the cheapest brake pads on the shelf. It's about discovering affordable options that professional technicians trust because they consistently perform where it matters most, bringing your vehicle to a safe, confident stop every single time. If you enjoy learning how to save money on quality automotive parts without sacrificing reliability, subscribe to Car Care Xpert, because every week we uncover overlooked products, maintenance tips, and honest buying advice that help drivers keep more money in their pockets while protecting their vehicles. At number 6 is the Bendix Priority 1. Bendix has built braking components for decades, yet many drivers walk right past the Priority 1 series because the packaging isn't nearly as flashy as some premium competitors. That's unfortunate because these pads provide excellent value for daily commuters. The ceramic friction material produces smooth, predictable braking while generating relatively low brake dust, helping keep your wheels cleaner between washes. They're also engineered to reduce vibration, which means less squealing during normal driving. For compact cars, mid-size sedans, and family SUVs that spend most of their lives on city streets and highways, the Priority 1 delivers dependable stopping power without asking you to pay premium prices. While they aren't designed for repeated high-performance track use, they're more than capable of handling the demands of everyday driving. If your goal is reliable braking, quiet operation, and good value, Bendix deserves far more attention than it usually receives. Coming in at number 5 is the Bosch QuietCast. Bosch has earned an outstanding reputation across the automotive industry, but many shoppers associate the brand more with spark plugs, sensors, and electrical components than brake pads. That's a mistake because the QuietCast line has become one of the strongest budget-friendly ceramic options available. These pads are designed with precision-cut backing plates and high-quality shims that help minimize vibration before it becomes brake noise. The ceramic formulation also produces noticeably less dust than many economy semi-metallic pads, making them an excellent choice for drivers who want cleaner wheels without sacrificing stopping confidence. Another advantage is consistency. Whether you're driving in stop-and-go traffic or cruising on the highway, pedal feel remains smooth and predictable. For daily drivers that prioritize comfort, refinement, and dependable braking over aggressive performance, Bosch QuietCast represents one of the smartest values in the aftermarket. At number 4 sits the Centric Posy Quiet. Centric doesn't receive the same level of advertising as some household names, yet many independent repair shops continue recommending the Posy Quiet series because of its outstanding balance of price and performance. These pads are available in both ceramic and semi-metallic formulations, allowing owners to choose the friction material that best matches their driving habits. The ceramic versions emphasize quiet operation and reduced brake dust, while the semi-metallic options provide stronger initial bite for heavier vehicles or drivers who regularly encounter steep terrain. One of the reasons technicians appreciate Centric is the company's attention to manufacturing precision. Properly machined backing plates and quality friction materials help promote even pad wear and stable braking characteristics throughout the service life. Rather than chasing flashy marketing claims, Centric focuses on delivering dependable real-world performance, making the Posy Quiet series one of the best hidden values for drivers looking to save money without compromising everyday braking confidence. Number 3 is the Wagner OX. Wagner has long been respected in the braking industry, but the OX series remains surprisingly overlooked by many drivers because it sits in an awkward spot between economy and premium pricing. That's exactly what makes it such a hidden value. The OX line is engineered with application-specific friction materials rather than using a one-size-fits-all formula, allowing each pad to match the weight and braking characteristics of the vehicle it was designed for. The laser-shaped friction surface helps maintain even contact with the rotor, promoting smoother pedal feel and reducing uneven wear over time. Drivers who spend hours commuting in stop-and-go traffic often appreciate how consistently these pads perform even after repeated braking cycles. Brake fade during normal street driving is minimal, noise control is excellent, and the ceramic formulation produces relatively little dust compared to many bargain alternatives. If you're looking for dependable daily performance without paying premium prices, Wagner OX deserves a place near the top of your shopping list. Coming in at number 2 is the Akabono ProAx Ceramic. Akabono isn't a flashy brand, but within the automotive industry it has earned one of the strongest reputations for manufacturing original equipment brake components. Many Japanese manufacturers have relied on Akebono braking technology for years because of its consistent quality and refinement. The ProAx Ceramic series delivers exceptionally smooth braking, excellent pedal modulation, and impressively quiet operation. One of its biggest strengths is low brake dust. If you've ever been frustrated by constantly cleaning black residue from alloy wheels, these pads can make a noticeable difference during everyday driving. They're also gentle on brake rotors, helping reduce long-term maintenance costs while maintaining predictable stopping performance throughout their service life. Although they may cost slightly more than some economy options, they frequently undercut premium performance brands while delivering outstanding value. For drivers who prioritize comfort, refinement, and dependable braking over aggressive track performance, the ProAx series remains one of the smartest purchases available. Taking the #1 spot is the Raybestos Element 3. If there's one affordable brake pad that deserves far more recognition, it's the Raybestos Element 3. Among experienced technicians, these pads have built a reputation for delivering premium-level performance at a price that often surprises first-time buyers. The hybrid friction formulation combines the benefits of ceramic and semi-metallic technology, providing strong initial bite, excellent heat resistance, and dependable stopping power across a wide range of driving conditions. Whether you're navigating heavy city traffic, cruising on the interstate, or driving through hilly terrain, the Element 3 maintains consistent braking performance without excessive noise or dust. Another advantage is durability. Even wear characteristics help extend pad life while reducing the chances of vibration caused by uneven friction material. For many family sedans, crossovers, light trucks, and SUVs, the Element 3 strikes an outstanding balance between affordability, safety, and long-term value. It's proof that you don't always have to spend premium money to get premium braking confidence. Before buying any brake pads, remember that choosing the correct friction material is just as important as selecting the brand. Ceramic pads are generally quieter and produce less dust, making them ideal for everyday commuting. Semi-metallic pads typically provide stronger initial bite and improved heat resistance, making them better suited for heavier vehicles, towing, or more demanding driving conditions. Always verify compatibility using your vehicle's year, make, model, engine, and brake package before ordering parts. It's also wise to inspect the brake rotors, hardware clips, and caliper slide pins during every brake service. Installing new pads on badly worn rotors or sticking calipers can shorten pad life and reduce braking performance. Whenever possible, follow the manufacturer's recommended bedding procedure after installation. Proper break-in helps transfer an even layer of friction material to the rotor surface, improving pedal feel, reducing noise, and maximizing the service life of both the pads and the rotors. If one of these brake pad brands has worked well for your vehicle, or you've discovered another affordable option that's impressed you, drop a comment below and tell us which one you trust and why. Your experience could help another driver make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Xpert and turn on notifications, because every week we reveal overlooked automotive products, practical maintenance advice, and honest buying guides that help you save money while keeping your vehicle safe, reliable, and ready for every mile ahead.